Let's dive into how the Chilview extension can supercharge your Amazon product research. We'll start by heading to Amazon and simply searching for a broad product idea, like a t-shirt. Instantly, Chilview generates a powerful keyword niche summary right above your search results. You get an immediate read on the niche with an opportunity score and a viability score. Let's click into Active Niche to see the magic. This opens up a massive, comprehensive dashboard for this specific keyword. Notice how it breaks down the barrier to entry, showing you exactly how many units you need to sell to compete. As we scroll, you get crystal clear visualizations of the estimated 30-day revenue, which is over $500,000 here, and total units sold. As you scroll, live badges show you the exact number of active sellers on every single listing. Hit Analyze Products to open the Opportunity Desk. Here, you get monthly revenue estimates, profit margins, and competition levels. You can review market share distribution or click Download ASINs to export full product data to CSV in one click. Right on the product page, Chilview automatically embeds a detailed price history chart. You can hover over the timeline to track precise fluctuations in the buy box price and the best sellers rank over the last 30 days, 90 days, or even a full year. Scroll down a bit further to check out the AI-powered review insights. Instead of manually reading hundreds of comments, you instantly get clean bullet points highlighting exactly what customers love, like fit and value, and what they hate, giving you a roadmap to create a better product. There's also a handy on-page FBA profit calculator on the left side of the screen to quickly check potential margins. Now, let's open the extension itself from your Chrome toolbar. We are currently in private label mode. On the Tracker tab, you can easily set custom price alerts. Just enter your target price, hit save, and you'll never miss a crucial market shift. Switching over to the Niche Hunt tab gives you deeper metrics like market demand, velocity, and review barriers. It includes an IP alert tracker to keep your account safe from claims and the live inventory spy. Ready to manufacture? Click the Sourcing Leads tab. Chilview connects directly to Alibaba, showing you the average factory sourcing costs per piece, minimum order quantities, and active B2B market demand, saving you hours of supplier research. If you're looking for brand new ideas, the Black Box tool lets you run highly customized searches based on exact price ranges, revenue targets. What if you do wholesale instead of private label? Simply toggle the extension into wholesale mode. The dashboard immediately adapts to show wholesale intelligence, including active competitors, buy box ownership, and remaining FBE versus FBM sellers. It automatically checks for brand and IP risks, ensuring the brand is safe to sell. Finally, you can plug your exact costs into the live wholesale calculator. Input your wholesale COGS and prep fees, and it will instantly project your net profit, total order capital, and ROI. Download Chilview today and take the guesswork out of Amazon.